Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast vegan step by step. Whisk together plant milk, flour, and a binder to form a smooth batter. Dip bread briefly so it soaks, but does not fall apart. Heat a non-stick skillet to medium and melt a little vegan butter or oil. Cook each slice until golden brown on both sides and finish with your favorite toppings. Start by making a stable batter that clings to bread without eggs. Measure 1 cup plant milk and whisk in 2 tablespoons flour until smooth, then add 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 tsp vanilla, and 1 tsp cinnamon. If you want extra lift, whisk in 2 tablespoons aquafaba or use half a mashed banana for binding. Taste and adjust sweetness, keeping the batter slightly thicker than crepe batter for best absorption. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple vegan recipes. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timers, recipe steps, and cooking playlists, and it fits neatly on any kitchen counter. It brings music and voice help to your morning routine in a compact design, making cooking more fun and efficient. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose sturdy bread like challah or brioche-style vegan loaves for the best texture. If your bread is very fresh, toast it briefly so it soaks without collapsing. Heat a non-stick skillet to medium and add vegan butter or oil, then wipe excess so the surface stays crisp. Dip each slice, shake off excess, and cook until golden on both sides, finishing in a low oven if needed for thicker slices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.